Are you ready to go case-free? The truth about the iPhone 16's durability and phone protection tips. Imagine a world where your smartphone is so tough, it doesn't need that extra layer of protection. That's exactly what Apple seems to be hinting at with the new iPhone 16. For years, most phone makers played it safe, reminding you to keep your device snug in a case to avoid costly repairs. But now, Apple is flipping the script. They've just released an ad that practically says, "Go on, use your iPhone 16 naked. No worries, no fuss." What's their secret? That's all about the ceramic shield, Apple's shiny, trademarked glass that's become legendary for its durability. The latest ad shows the iPhone 16 surviving a drop with no problem at all, putting the industry's traditional caution to the test. It's a significant shift in messaging, and it makes you wonder, are we entering a new age of sturdier phones? Meanwhile, competitors aren't sitting still. Chinese Android brands have ramped up their dust and water resistance, boasting devices that can brave the elements even better. Corning has thrown in its lot as well, claiming Gorilla Armor 2 glass, used on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, can survive drops from as high as 2.2 meters, over 7 feet, onto concrete-like surfaces. So here's the big question. Do you prefer to keep your phone protected with a case, or do you go full naked and trust your device's built-in toughness? Whatever your choice, it's clear that the conversation about phone durability is shifting. And if you're curious about the latest iPhone 16, here are some of the best deals out there. Whether you're after 128 GB or 256 GB, with 8 GB RAM, you can snag one for prices like $565.74 or $726, links included for quick shopping. And if you want to see all the current prices, just click here. What's your take? Are you ready to go case-free with the new iPhone, or sticking to your trusty protective gear? Drop a comment, let's talk about it.